Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 1. Let me introduce myself and my friends. My name is Husna Sajidanisa with number 134200235.
My name is Atika Trias Purwita with number 134200236.
My name is Kanadubis Azaranisa with number 134200237.
My name is Muhammad Fafahaika Saifuddin, number 134200238.
We are here to present the importance of weeds. Definition of weeds. A weed is a plant considered undesirable in a particular situation, a plant in the wrong place. Taxonomically, the term weed has no botanical significance, because a plant that is a weed in one context is not a weed when growing in a situation where it is in fact wanted.
Kinds of weeds. Kinds of weeds can be divided into several classifications. The first is A. Classification based on habitat. Classification based on habitat can be divided into A. Aquatic weeds. Pada umumnya, aquatic weeds ini dia hidup di air, baik terapung, tenggelam maupun semi-tenggelam. Contoh dari aquatic weeds ada enceng gondok, cicaguan, dan menderong. B. Terrestrial weeds. Terrestrial weeds grow on land, including in plantation and rice fields. Contoh dari terrestrial weeds ada bebandotan, cukup pahit, dan kirinyo. B. Classification based on leaf weed. Classification based on leaf weed can be divided into A. Broadleaf weeds. Contoh dari broadleaf weeds ada bayam duri, bebandotan, dan kirinyo. B. Narrow leaf weeds. Contoh dari narrow leaf weeds ada alang-alang, sisik naga, dan teki lading. C. Classification based on life cycle. This classification can be divided into A. Annual weeds. Annual weeds, dia mampu hidup 1 tahun. Contoh dari annual weeds ada bayam duri dan rumput campang. B. Ada biennial weeds. Biennial weeds mampu hidup 1 tahun hingga 2 tahun. Contoh dari biennial weeds ada burdok, putri malu, dan daun sendok. C. Perennial weeds. Perennial weeds mampu hidup lebih dari 2 tahun. Contoh dari perennial weeds ada kekawatan, rumput teki, dan alang-alang.
The damage caused by the weed. Number 1. There is competition between plants and weeds for the absorption of water, light, and nutrients. The competition causes plant growth to slow down and the reproductive powers to decrease. Number 2. Allelopathy symbiosis. A certain weed can release a poisonous chemical that can damage the growth of a plant. One example of the weed is Cyperus rotundus, or we can call it tekiladang. Number 3. The farmer's work is disrupted by a weed that has thorns of soft hairs that cause itching. One example of the weeds that has thorn is a Mimosa pudica, or we can call it putri malu. Number 4. Weeds can serve as hosts for certain pests or disease. Example of the weed is Lersia hexandra and Cynodon dactylon. Both are the host plant for the ganjur pest. The left picture is Lersia hexandra, or we can call it rumput bantu. And the right picture is Cynodon dactylon, or we can call it rumput Bermuda. Number 5. which can be dangerous for human health because they have pollen that can cause allergy. Number 6. Aquatic weeds can reduce the efficiency of irrigation system. Aquatic weeds can cause the flow of water to become clogged. One example of the aquatic weeds is Eichhornia crassipes, or we can call it eceng gondok. Number 7. The presence of weed can raise the cost of agricultural work, such as adding energy and time to the soil work, the weeding, and the sewer repair from the weeds that block irrigation water.
Benefits of weeds. Weeds also have benefits including the following. The first is protecting the soil from erosion. Sebagai contoh ada Imperata cylindrica, Paspalum conjugata, and Axonopus. These weeds spreads to the roads so that they can hold water so that erosion does not occur. Second, fertilize the soil. Sebagai contoh ada Centroma pubescens, Reruria javanica. Third, effect of pests. Effects. Some types of plant parasites prefer to live on weeds and will attack cultivate crops in the absence weeds. Fourth, as fertilizer, which can also be used as material for making organic fertilizer or compost. 5. As an industrial material, which can be used as industrial sex as handicraft.
Thanks for your attention. If you have any question, please comment in below. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.